Still washing your car by wasting gallons of water? Tired of compromising with the mediocre cleanliness of your car? Switch to EcoWash, an environment-friendly car wash formula, and forget traditional car washing techniques. The EcoWash technique saves 20 liters or more water per wash. It washes, polishes, and protects the car from scratches, UV damages, future dirt, and dust buildup. And it is very easy to apply. All you need to have a shining clean car is EcoWash. 1 spray bottle and 2 microfiber towels. EcoWash is a novel and an environment-friendly product made with biodegradable and eco-friendly ingredients for high performance. EcoWash is a solution to your everyday car cleaning problem, and that too with the pride of saving water. Here's how EcoWash works in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Dilute 5 ml of EcoWash in 1 liter of water. Spray a small amount of this solution on the surface to be clean. Spray from a distance of 10 to 12 inches to get maximum coverage of the area in lesser quantity of solution. Step 2. Gently wipe off the panel with the microfiber towel with a side-to-side motion. EcoWash shrinks the dirt particles and lifts them off the surface, which can be easily wiped off with super absorbent microfiber towel without any fear of scratching the surface. Step 3. Use second towel to gently buff dry any remaining product, and that's all it takes to have a cleaned, waxed and protected car. You can wash, polish and protect your car in just about 10 to 15 minutes. For best results, work on 1 panel at a time. This will not only ensure best coverage but also reduce the chances of any evaporation of the product. There is absolutely no requirement to dig deep or wipe aggressively. Gentle wipes are enough. EcoWash is very effective and works on all surfaces including exterior paint, glass mirrors, chrome plastics, vinyl and alloy. EcoWash is a non-abrasive, non-sticky, non-corrosive, carcinogen-free, non-flammable and safe on hands eco-friendly product. It can be used round the year with great ease and convenience, adding great value. Adopt EcoWash, a new generation car wash formula that takes care of your car and saves water.